All right, guys, here we are. We're at another pedestrian bridge. This one is in Spring Lake Park. It goes over 65. It connects to Spring Lake High School, which is in Blaine, combination of Blaine, Spring Lake, and Fridley. So it's a multi-purpose school. This weekend is the lovely and talented boys hockey tournament. Looks like it's going to be tonight will be Chanhassen and Edina. So yeah, 9th day of March 2024. It's a pretty nice pedestrian bridge. It's pretty nice, probably. So if you live over there, come to school. So it's pretty well built. So pretty easy to get to. You can park in the school parking lot, or you can park over there. But I figured, let's park over here and give it a walk across. Pretty nice. Beautiful day to be out making videos. I'm gonna go over, do some rail fanning over there off of 694 over there. The railroad track that goes across both sides of the track, so we're gonna go over there. Went for a drug test today. The company I went for, doing the QR codes, I couldn't get it. I'm like, well, told the guy you gotta be incomplete, and that's the way it is. You gotta have that correct. Not a big deal, but 65 goes all the way up by Stanchfield, goes Blaine, Cambridge. Actually a bait shop over there. I bought some worms one time I was up in this area. Not too many of those around. It's a pretty solid one. I mean, you can tell the concrete's good. No cheap behaviors here. They're playing a little sissy ball over there. Beautiful day to be outside. There's a Hy-Vee over here. You guys all know, I've been obsessed. You've seen in the back in the catalog, pedestrian bridges. So there's a lot of ones I've seen. There was one down Redwood one time I saw. So they're just kind of fun to go across. I don't see any cracks. The one right there a little bit, but I don't see any major cracks in this thing, but it's a nice one. So like I said, it's at Spring Lake Park High School. So just kind of you're living over here on the other side. You can bike over. It's obviously wheelchair accessible. A little adventure. As I said, it's like 40 degrees here in Minnesota, so it's not too bad to go out and, of course, I put stickers on here. Good day to get out of the house, go do something. A lot of bikes are out and about. People are biking around, so it's a good thing to see people biking around. So, I don't know if there's a park, you can park down there or not, but that's an apartment. But I could have got off here. It's off of 80th Avenue on Highway 65. And get out there too as well. But, and you want to go in for a drug test, you get there and you're in a hurry. I'm like, I don't have a QO. It's what I had. It's like blood test or a urine test. I don't know. I mean, it's however you want to do both. I really don't care. I'll pass it. I'm not worried about it. So yeah, I could have parked here, but that's parking on private property, apartment complex. But use car lot over here. I used to use this highway all the time. My aunt used to live in Bethel. Up there, we used to do it all the time. My uncle had a body shop up there. That's why I learned how to do a lot of fabricating. So that was a cool place. We up there Sylvester Salvage was up there. They're ahead of their time. They get old clothes and and like badly any jeans that weren't stitched correctly. So yeah, do some rail fanning today. I'm gonna go over there, do that. So you see, it's a pretty big one. They're mind quality of life behavior, because you don't want to get you across the highway with no one getting killed. So Beidou's Bait and Tackle, I was in there. All the way down there on the other side of the hill, you can tell how it goes all the way over. So let's walk back to the car, give you a whole view of it. I don't know, just some fun videoing, you know, screwing around camera. So State Farm is here, man. Waiting for my mic for my for the DJI. The mic they sent me didn't work. I mean, it's a fine old mic, but it's windy like this. You want somewhat of a closed mic as much as you can. So. Oh, beautiful dog. Can you see him down there? He's big. He's barking. So, what are you doing on my pedestrian bridge? 65 is central, goes all the way back into Minneapolis. Starts in Minneapolis, and it kicks in and goes all the way up. I don't know how far it goes out past. It goes up to Stanchfield and way up. It's a nice city. It's grown up here, and this needs to be a 4-way highway, but see, some of the other ones that went over were more metal, were old school. This is obviously built, probably new, recently, I don't know, or redone, but it's really solid, ain't gonna go anywhere. They have a lot of these I've seen on, when I've traveled out west, like old railroad trails that made into pedestrians are just these huge railroad bridges they made into stuff, so that's kind of cool. So anyways, we'll get back on the highway and go over to 694, and we'll get some videos over there too as well. So yep. Blaine, Spring Lake Park, and Fridley. Pretty big campus. Yeah, it was a winter that wasn't this year in Minnesota. Very little. I mean, I haven't used my lawnmower, my snow blower at all this year. Never fired it up. Feel sorry for people having to do their selling lawnmowers and stuff and snowmobiles. So. So, you can see it's a pretty big one. You can always bring your aluminum cans over there and throw them in there. Always do that instead of giving the city. So, anyways, guys, hope you enjoyed it. I had fun walking it. Another one in the books. See you from Blaine.